Hello, good morning to all. Now you give mark the attendance and wait 2 minutes for the some students coming. Then now previous class discussed the example of the impact assessment significance. These are the impact assessment for the strategic environmental assessment. This is significance. This is the focus on key strategy to define the stakeholders by the, and this is the impact of development scenario and project trend in the key issues. This is the very important for the impact assessment on the project. This is the last negative impact. Okay, and the negative impact, no impact, positive impact, large positive impact. And this is the both positive and negative. This is a no relevant. This is the impact assessment for the significance of any project. And this is the focus defined by the stakeholders, internal and external stakeholder. Okay, this all impact on development of the project trends. These are the key issues we already discussed in previous class. And the evaluating significance, these are the reference point is the meaning. Okay, this is the equivalent significance, this is the reference point and the standard environmental social standard, the guidelines and the objective, this is safeguards. The level of public concern relating to the infrastructure and areas, strategic importance of national and local economics. This is the related to the infrastructure. On the strategic importance of national and local economics, this is the local problems regarding the economics. And the scientific and professional evidence for the is the loss or destruction of the valuable resource stock and ecological function. How to stock the resources? This is the natural resources. Let's suppose you the coal block for the project work. There is a coal. Is a very need for the generate the power generation. So this is the stock the coal. This is the natural resources. The I actually in this current scenario, the disturb the all natural resources. Then environmental condition is disbalanced. So how to stop this type of disruption? This is loss. So this is the ecological function. Okay, under the ecological function, this is the very losses due to disbalance the resource natural resources. Okay, then now the negative impact on social values. So this type of disturbance is the directly impact on the social values. Okay, quality of life and livelihood. Okay, this is the quality of life is very bad. Not is good quality of life. Means actually current in current scenario they all created by the pollution, so air, water, and this the land pollution, is the noise pollution. This is the it will disbalance the ecosystem. Then this disbalance the ecosystem, the quality of life is the very bad. Disturb the quality of life. Life survival is the very bad. Okay, so this is a negative impact on the social value. Okay, there is a foreclosure of land and resource use opportunities. How do the foreclosure of the land and resource use the opportunities? Okay, resources use. You give the opportunity for the resources use. These are natural resources, but use the resources, but yes, in the safely, your ecosystem is safe. Then you do use the natural resources, not to directly disbalance the disturb the natural resources. Then affecting large population and areas. This system resources daily day to day use the need the more quantity is the affecting the directly on the large population on the areas. This the population is the day to day is the effect effect on the population from the air pollution, air pollution and water pollution. Many type of diseases spread. Okay, this is the main type of disease spread during the affecting the large population of the and area. Okay, then now evaluating sustainability. How to sustain? How to evaluate the sustainability. This is the related to the impact on the plan of the sustainability. This is the impact on your development plan. Then whether sustainable. Okay, the SC sustainability objectives defined through a stakeholder workshop and review of the government policies. Depend on the strategic evaluation assessment that they define through the internal and external stakeholder during the organized workshop. Okay, and then the get a review of the this what is the government policy, which type of policies. Okay, so you follow the government policies, then you define on the during the workshop front of the stakeholder. This is the internal and the internal external stakeholder. Okay, and the one or two sustainability objectives identify for the each static theme. Okay, and the impact question: what effect will the development plan? What effect the development have and achieve the sustainability objective? How to achieve this plan? During the project development, you the development your plan for the project. How to achieve? This is the questions of the stakeholder. This is the impact question. Okay, what will be the develop plan and achieve for the sustainability objective? How to develop this type of effect during the project plan. Okay, the project development plan, how to achieve achieve the sustainability. Okay, then now impact assessment example. These are the example of the impact assessment. Okay, this is the features. This is the main discussed in the previous class, but I discussed it again because you are not related to the mitigation. This is suppose you are the issues. How much issue there are three issues is during the your theme is the features. Okay, your theme is the features. These are three types: change in long distance migration, change in fish species biodiversity, and a change in fish production. Okay, and how much score a sustainability objective, maintain an enhancement of biodiversity and productivity of fisheries resources. Suppose this is how getting the score. Okay, so out of 10 is how to get the score 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we show something. Okay, the change in long distance, how much get the score. Then you comment on the reason for the score. You get the out of 10 is equal to 5. That's you. What is your comment? Okay, this is the sustainability objective. Means objective means maintain and his enhancement of diversity and productivity of fisheries resources. How to maintain? Okay. Then how to maintain the sustainability objective? Is maintain an enhancement of diversity and the productivity of fisheries resources. Okay. So this is the impact assessment
Great.
example. These are the key issues: the change in long distance migration and the change in. Hello, Amar.
Hello, sir.
Okay, Vaswandi, you are come. You give the attendance. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then now is currently discuss about the impact assessment for the strategic environmental issues. Okay, during this time. But your themes is the impact, how the impact assessment on the many of the themes. Suppose your the themes is the features. These are three types of key issues during the impact assessment. There is a change in long distance migration, change in fish diversity, and a change in the fish production. Like how much get the score? The sustainability objective is the maintain and enhancement of diversity and the productivity of research resources. Okay, then a score, how much get the score? Out of 10 is going to you get the score 5. Then what is comment? It's a comment. The comment is the comment addition for the score. You get the 5 regarding the 5. Then change in fish biodiversity, how much get a score? Change in fish production, how much get a score? Then you get the score 5, 6, 8. Then you comment on the reason for the score. Okay, this is the score of the impact assessment example. Is a fish theme is a features. Okay. Then now the second example of the impact assessment is the theme is energy and power. This is the first is achieve energy security, meeting national energy demands and meeting global energy needs. There's three type of the issues for the themes of the energy and power. That are the sustainability objectives you getting ensure a secure and diverse energy supply from renewable sources without losses in sustainability of social and natural ecosystem. The natural system, what is the natural system and the social? Okay, this is the achieve the energy security. How much get the score out of 10? This the 10 is the 8. The comment that is the good regarding the score. There's a meeting national energy demand. There's a 6. Meeting local energy needs and the 4. This is the getting the score. And the comment and reason for the score. There is a score regarding the score. What is your comment? What is your comment? How you get the score is the 8. So which type of your comment? Okay, so this is the impact assessment example of the key issues is related to the energy and power. Impact assessment is the third example of the impact assessment is the theme the terrestrial ecosystem and agriculture. Okay, and the key issues is the habit loss and degradation, change in the land use, change in irrigation agriculture, change in the river bank. This such as the score. This is objective is the maintain the terrestrial ecosystem for conservation of biodiversity and the connectivity and the ecosystem service. Okay, and in the maintenance and enhancement of the biodiversity and productivity of agriculture system. This is the two types of the objective. Okay, this is a, you, what is the, your score? What is your comment? You get the score. Okay, so this is the impact assessment example. Then now we start the avoidance, migration, and the enhancement. Okay, the mitigation enhancement is the your question to address how will the most important risk, the negative impact is be avoided. But how will the most important risk? This is the negative impact. This is avoided. And how will the most important benefits? What is your benefits? This is the positive impacts. This is the enhanced. How will the negative effects that can be avoided with the that is mitigated or is reduced? There are three types of the questions. There's avoid, enhanced, and reduced. Avoid is related to the negative effects. Okay, and the enhanced is the positive effects and the mitigated is the reduced. Okay, these three types of issues, these are three types of questions in the avoidance, avoidance, mitigation, and the enhancement. Okay, so this is your negative impact related to the avoided, positive impact in enhanced, and the mitigated is the reduced. Okay, this is the three factors that are very important. Then you question avoid. This is the avoid means the this is the negative effect. And the question about this your question enhance, this is the positive effects, and the reduced question, this is the mitigated. The 3 point is the very important: avoid, enhanced, and mitigated. This is the very important. Okay, then now the purpose of mitigation is 2. What is the purpose of mitigation? What is mitigation? कोई बताएगा? Anyone? Mitigation क्या होता है? What is mitigation? Amar and Sumit.
Hello.
Yeah. Mitigation. What is mitigation?
So the action of reducing.
Yeah, good.
Yes, sir. The action of reducing the seriousness of something, उसी को से mitigation.
Okay. This is the mitigation. Okay, good. This is the purpose of mitigation is to find the better sustainable. This is the question of seriousness and the painful of the something serious and the painful during this time. This is the purpose of mitigation. This is a find better means sustainable. You find anything to find better.
Yes, sir.
Find sustainable alternatives and the way of doing things, and then enhance environmental, economics, and social benefits. So how to enhance any environmental benefits, economic benefits, and social benefits? How to define? What are your social environmental benefits? How to get economic benefits and how to social benefits? In this time, now environmental condition is good. Then all things are also better. Suppose environmental condition, ecosystem is not good. So this is the dairy especially in more. Suppose during the COVID-19, the environmental condition is bad, so the economics and the social is the very loss. Day-to-day decreased, economics power is decreased, social power is decreased, day-to-day manpower is the death. 1,000, 2,000 per day is the manpower death, woman. This is the social benefits, not social get the social benefits. Then environmental condition is the good, then economics and social benefits is good. Okay, then avoid minimize of readily adverse impacts. Avoid that is a negative impact and enhance the positive effect. Okay, avoid minimize or remedy adverse the impacts. Then now the ensure that may avoidance impact are the kept within acceptable levels. Okay, so this is the purpose of mitigation. What a development plan proponents have a responsibility to. How to develop the plans proponents have a responsibility to. This is avoid, minimize, and remedy adverse impacts. This is the adverse impact to minimize and is avoid. This is the negative impact. And the internalize the environmental and social cost of the plan. So during the project plan, during the project development plan, you two types of plan cost of plan you discuss during the internal stakeholder. Okay, this is the environmental cost and the social cost. What is the environmental cost and the social cost? this environmental cost related to the environmental clearance. Any project start, suppose you start the building work, suppose apartment 8 and 10 stories apartments you construct. So then you before the start you get the environmental clearance, okay, from the humans and Ministry of Forest and Environment Department. Okay, so this any types of project start from the environmental clearance. Okay, this is the SPCB, State Pollution Control Board. Then you start the any types of project. The environmental and social cost of the plan discuss about the during the project development plan. Okay, then prepare plans for managing impacts. Any type of plan prepare. Okay, so which type of impact? Impact effect on the prepare plan. So how to manage the impacts. The many type of impact on the development of the project plan. Many type of impacts such as accident issues, environmental issues, there's a cost issues, there's the weather issues. So these are the impacts on the prepare of plans. Then on the repair or compensate for the environmental and social damage. How to compensate? How to compensate environmental damage and social damage during the development of plan? How to compensate? That how to compensate during the project plan preparation, development of project plan. Though time is the very important. Any types of work, the doing the construction work, the time is the very important. You take the much time. Suppose you any types of construction work complete in the 1 years, but during the 1 years discuss about it, many types of issues comes. So the environmental issues, social issues, okay. This is the accidental issues, many types of issues you face. So this time you consider all things. Then you complete the 1 years, you take the 1 years, any types of complete the project, then you take the 1.6 years, 1.5 years. Okay, this type of issues is the facing the issues, all are the compensate. So this is the environmental and social damage compensate during the project development. Okay, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. This is the principle of mitigation. What is the principle of mitigation? This is the give preference to the measure of avoidance and the prevention. So then how to measure the avoidance? This is the negative impact. Suppose any type start the project. Okay, your boss said that this project is complete in the 1 years. Okay, boss told to you this project is complete in 1 years anyhow. Do you think I don't know complete this time? This is the negative impact. Do you think the negative? This is the think negative that your work is not complete this time. Okay, do you think positive? I am complete the work in this time. Then you measure for the avoidance and the prevention. Okay, your positive thinking, you give the positive to work. Thinking, I am complete the work in this one years. Okay, this is your positive thinking. So your work is the positive way. Okay, then consider feasible alternative to the proposed plan and its components. What is your proposed plan? The proposed plan is the futures plan. This is my proposed. This is my proposed plan. Okay, this is a suppose I am complete the after 1 month is the many types suppose handed columns cast. Okay, this is the your proposed plan. Identify customized measure to minimize each measure impacts the avoidance not feasible. Identify customized measure to minimize each measure impacts if avoidance is not feasible. Okay, then the use compensation of the least resort if negative impact cannot be avoided or mitigated. Okay, so this is the principle of the mitigation. Okay. Then now objective of impact management are two. What is the objective of the impact management? This is the very important. Ensure the mitigation measures are implemented. Establish system, procedures, and the responsibility of managing impact. The procedure and the responsibility is the very important to manage the impacts, many types of impacts during the project work. Okay, then monitor the effectiveness of the mitigation measures. Is the monitor, how to monitor? Okay, then take any necessary action when unforeseen impacts occur. This is the objective of impact management R2. Okay, this is the objective of impact management R2. This is the management objectives of impact management. Okay. Then now the SIS system in the Mekong countries. What is a SIS system? The ACA in the Thailand. ACA means the Study Environmental Assessment in the Thailand. This is one of the first in the Mekong region explore the ACA. The ACA guideline in the 2004. Okay, the voluntary, but any we can require any agency to conduct an ACA. Any agency to conduct the ACA. This is now working with the 11th sector to determine the when ACA should be mandatory. Some 10 to 20 ACAs conducted. Okay, depending on definition ACA. The ACA is a Suvarnabhumi airport. ACA is the Andaman Island. This is the environmental protection area. Okay, the ACA is the Northeast Region Water Management. The 5 ACA is current in the water sectors. The most big budget assessment is 32 greater than 32 billion budget. The ACA in the Thailand. ACA in China. What is the study environment of China for China? Okay, this is the mandatory for the river basin plans, one of the most injurious mandatory system in the world. A draft plan without ACA cannot be approved and implemented. Project cannot be proceeded without ACA of the umbrellas plan. The ACA is mandatory for the river basin plan, land use plans, plan for the region and plans prepared by 10 main development sectors: industry, agriculture, livestock, forestry, energy. Okay. This is the development sectors: industry, agriculture, livestock, forestry, energy, water conservation, transportation, urban construction, tourism, natural resources development. So this is a ACA mandatory for the this is the under the river basin plan. Okay. There are some 50 ACs connected national level and more than 150 at local government level. This is the ACA in China. The ACA in Vietnam. This is the ACA mandatory for 6 categories of strategic plan. This is the National Socio-Economic Development Plan. Okay, and SDP all the sectors is central government agency, and the SCDPs for the 64 provinces and the cities, interprovincial regions, land use, forest protection and development, natural resources development, and special economic region plans, reserve river basin plan. Okay, this is the ACA in the Vietnam. ACA in Vietnam stores legal basis for the mandatory ACA of the development strategy plan. This is a strict responsibility for the SGS to plan owners must be an open process with a stakeholders improvement. Okay, there must be an open process with a stakeholder involvement. So what is the stakeholder involvement? Open process with the internal and external stakeholder involvement. So there must be an open process. Okay, then they start with the extensive program of piloting SGS. Now all sectors hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then now this Asian Vietnam is started the extensive program. Okay, 1 minute is change. Okay. This is the Asia the must cover environmental, social, and economic effects. These are the three factors: environmental, social, and economics. The reverbation of focus the must comprehensive is under the new legal framework and have not been easy tools of the apply. Many obstacles. So this is the many types of countries follow the ACA, a strategic environmental assessment. What is the strategic of for the environmental assessment? This is a very important. All of country. So this is an example of the many such countries: Vietnam, China. Okay, and these are the follow the ACA. So the example for the suppose India. Your India is currently follow the strategic environmental assessment. If you make any types of construction start, so first you get the environmental clearance from the Ministry of the Human Resource Department, or the Ministry of the Forest Department. Okay, they take the time for the environmental clearance, such as 12 to 18 months. Then you get the environmental clearance. Without environmental clearance, not start the any types of work. Only you start the boundary work. Okay, only you start the boundary work. Okay. Then now LOA the PDR under the Environmental Protection Law 2012 ACS. This is a law PDR must be the conducted for a policy strategic plan and the programs, particularly in the energy and mining, agriculture, forest, industry, and commerce, the public works and the transportation sector. This is some pilots. Okay, this is the production plan of the 2012. Okay, and the SCA of the National Hydropower Plan in LOA PDR with a focus on the Nam Thun Hydropower Project 2. Okay, the issue of the National Hydropower Plant, a law feeder with a focus on the NAM Thuo hydropower project. Asia in the Golden Corridor Tourism Development, the 2011 to 12. The issue of the Shekong for Provincial Land Use Plan, the 2014 to 15. So this is the LOR PDR. The Myanmar, the EIA and ACA, EIA means Environmental Impact Assessment of the 2015 regulation, is the regulation of the Myanmar. All are known is about the Myanmar, this country. The ACAs may be required for the policy strategic development plans, framework and programs that are prepared for the purpose by an armed government or others organization and the individual. This is required for the policy strategic by ACAs. The decision on whether conduct an ACA determined by initial screening for potential environmental and social impact in accordance with the ACA guidelines issued by the Ministry of Environmental Conservation and Forestry. This is issued by the ACA guidelines from the MESCF, means the Ministry of Environmental Conservation and Forest for the Myanmar countries. Then ACA must be paid for the incorporate into target policies and plans and environmental and social management and monitoring framework comprehensively addressing impacts. Okay, so this is the monitoring framework for the Myanmar regulation, December 2015 ACA regulation. Okay, Myanmar and Cambodia pilot is the Myanmar and Cambodia. Okay, this is the pilot. The development plan is the development assessing environmental assessment. Hydropower sector is Myanmar. Is the World Bank. The issue the amount and the community strategic environmental assessment. Asia developed the Kandari River Vision. A common no requirement for the Asia. The Cambodia has no requirements for the Asia. The pilot issue the National Tourism Development Strategy. This for the Cambodia, the ACA only applicable for the National Tourism Development Strategy. Okay. Yes, thank you. Okay, any problem from this? Any questions for the strategic environmental assessment? What is the ACA? Any question? So this is the very important during the SCA work. Suppose a strategic environmental assessment is the 3 points that depend. This is the avoidance, mitigation, and enhancement. Again, negative effect depend on your negative thinking. Positive effects, your the positive thinking, matlab your benefits, and this you take the risk is the negative effect. You get the benefits, your positive effects. Okay, so how will the negative effects that can't be avoided? So this is the mitigated. Okay, this is the three points very important: avoidance, mitigation, and the enhancement. You always think the positive. You get the environment benefits. You always get the benefits, and then you take the risk. It does a negative effect. It's under the avoidance. Okay. Okay. So this is the very important. Okay, this is the avoidance, mitigation, and enhancement. Okay, so that depend on 3 factors: negative effects, positive effect, and the mitigated. Okay, another very important. Any question regarding this? This is the your impact assessment key issues. Okay, this is a main example. Give them example how to sustain objectives. What is your score? Your comments. Okay, this is the table. You make the table this type. Okay, impact assessment example. Evaluating sustainability. There's a issue is a very important for the all things. Anytime the project start the project. Okay,